how to fix time zone on Twitter. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm back with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can fix your time zone on Twitter. For that, you'll have to open your Twitter application on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. On this page at the top right, you will find your profile icon. Click on your profile icon and from the drop down menu, here at the bottom, expand setting and support. There you will find settings and privacy. Select settings and privacy from here and then you will be taken to the settings area where at the top you will find your account option. Click on your account and again you will be directed to a new page. Again click on this account information. Here you will find the option to set your time zone. Click on this country option and now from here you can choose your correct time zone from this list. Make sure to select the time zone that corresponds to your actual location. Select the time zone. Wait for a while. This interface will be shown on the screen. Here click on this change and then you can see you have successfully changed your time zone. So in this way you can fix your time zone on Twitter. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.